Hi, I'm Julie, also known as Julie Jigsaw. Sorry, loud noise. But I like to write, read, listen to music. I like to take pictures. I'm really into photography. I like to snake model. I hate ignorant people, stupid people. Wait, aren't they the same? Stupid's a different level. I hate people who can't speak English that put me up on I am. Sorry, me no habla español. Or whatever you're speaking, Arabic. My phone vibrated. I hate the snow. It reminds me. It's snowing. Hey, you can't see that it's snowing, but it's snowing. There's snow on the ground. That's the main reason I didn't have school today, because it's snowing. My hair is like all messed up. I just got up to do this. I'm 16 years old, live in Ohio. I lived here my whole entire life. My dogs are staring at me. I have one older brother. I'm in the 10th grade. I go to, I don't know if you want to call it a country school. Guess you can. It's not a main school, so it's a country school. And I started slate modeling like almost 2 years ago. So yeah, bye.